This is the most exciting time to be at AlphaSense. We are at the forefront of the artificial intelligence technology wave. Our company is growing alongside of that. We are constantly evolving, looking towards what's next, and just seeing our customers be excited about the tool makes me excited.
We already have wowed our clients with our search, but the content that we're bringing in, our clients can't get this elsewhere, and I think that's what keeps them coming back for more.
I feel like I am given the autonomy and the space to kind of run my quote-unquote business the way I want to run it. But I also know that I have this huge support team around me, whether it's my colleagues, my managers, my enablement team, that are willing to pitch in and do everything they need to do to make me successful.
Sales enablement, it's a very dynamic, very diverse, amazing team where we're really focused on leveraging data and facilitating trainings, workshops, sessions that really enable our revenue team to reach their goals, right? To really drive revenue growth.
I think I've been given a super unique opportunity here at AlphaSense to kind of choose my own path. I was able to really explore multiple options for career growth. I still work with majority of the same people who have been here since I started, and I think that says a lot about our culture in particular.
My mentors here have taught me to just don't be shy of who I am, and I think that that was the best advice a couple years ago that I could have got, because ultimately, when you're the best version of yourself and you're unapologetically who you are, clients trust you, your peers trust you, and you're able to build that rapport very quickly, which, can be very transparent for all different types of communication.
I love the people that I get to work with every day. Like, truly, I enjoy getting on every one-on-one call with my team and hearing about the deals they're working on and how can I get them thinking about something a little bit differently that I've been through. And I think it's been a really exciting thing to see people go from, new hire to now being, top of the leaderboard.